Hello friends, if you need to polish up your Python skills, you are in the right place. In this series we work together to fine-tune your skills with engaging way by solving problems to understand the concepts. I am Dilan Chandrajit here from zeklabs.com to help you to improve yourself as a techie person. If this is the first time you hear about us, we are Zek Labs. We publish tutorials, courses and explainer kinds of videos on software engineering, cybersecurity, Linux and etc. This is the introduction video to the very first programming series called The 100 Challenges of Python for Better Understanding. In this series, we gonna practice 100 Python challenges to understand the programming concepts and methodologies. In each challenge, we solve them with proper explanations, so you can understand how you face the challenge when you see one. This is a beginner-friendly course. The main goal of this series is to polish up your Python skills and mindset, but is not for absolute freshers who never write a line of code before. We designed this series for newbies who have enough understanding about the basic Python syntax. So the main requirement for this series is you should be able to write simple Python script and execute it. In this series, we cover all the basics of Python with proper examples and challenges. So this would be an amazing opportunity for you to understand the key concepts and polish up your Python skills with hands-on practices. In each video in this series, we bring up you a Python challenge and then we solve it together. In that way you can practice how you should look into a challenge as a day-to-day developer. We structured the series in the best way possible. So in the beginning of the series, we focus on simple tasks. But we promise you that when we reach the last challenge, it would be something that really challenging. Challenges in the series are designed in the way of covering all the basics of Python, so you can polish up all the main concepts of Python. Regular loops, conditional statements, string operations, functions, list and dictionary operations, file handling, and exception handling are named to a few. So that's it for today. See you in the first challenge.